Alcudia is one of the most charming places in Mallorca. A perfect blend of history, Mediterranean atmosphere, and stunning landscapes. If you're planning a vacation on the island or simply looking for inspiration for your next trip, this video is for you. In this episode, we'll show you the most interesting places in Alcudia, from the picturesque old town surrounded by defensive walls, through the port, to beautiful beaches and hidden corners worth discovering. Stay with us until the end. It's really worth it. And if you love traveling, subscribe to the Trip Navigo channel so you don't miss our next videos from Mallorca, Spain, Poland, and all across Europe. Also visit our Trip Navigo website, where you'll find more information, travel tips, and a newsletter with discounts on trips. Let's begin. Alcudia is one of the oldest towns in Mallorca, with a history dating back to ancient times. The settlement was founded by the Romans in the second half of the 2nd century BC after they conquered the island. Back then, they called it Pollentia. It was the most important Roman colony in the Balearic Islands, and its remains can still be admired today. In ancient times, the town was inhabited by Romans, and later by the Visigoths and Moors. Each of these civilizations left their mark, from the ruins of the Roman theater to fragments of Islamic fortifications. Today, Alcudia belongs to Spain, more precisely to the autonomous community of the Balearic Islands. The town has around 20,000 inhabitants and is one of the most visited places in northern Mallorca, not only for its beaches, but also its rich history. Alcudia from above is truly breathtaking. The outlines of the defensive walls surrounding the old town are clearly visible, along with narrow streets and historic buildings, with the blue Mediterranean Sea in the background adding a unique charm to the scene. It's exactly these views that make Alcudia a must-see destination on the Mallorca map. Let's come down to earth and head into the heart of Alcudia. Before us stand the impressive defensive walls that enclose the historic old town. They were built in the Middle Ages, in the 13th and 14th centuries, by order of the King of Aragon, after the island was reclaimed from the Moors. Their purpose was to protect residents from pirate attacks and enemies of the Crown of Aragon. The walls are about 1.5 kilometers long and remain in very good condition to this day. You can walk along the top of them, a great opportunity to enjoy panoramic views of the town and its surroundings from above. Along the walls, you'll also find 2 main gates, Porta de Mallorca and Porta del Moll, which still lead into the old town, just as they did centuries ago. At the very heart of Alcudia's old town lies a special place, the Church of St. James, and the charming square that surrounds it. This is where the spiritual and social heart of the town beats. The church was built in the Gothic style in the 13th century, shortly after the island was reconquered by the Christians. Over the centuries, it was rebuilt several times, but it has retained its monumental form and unique character. Inside, you'll find rich interiors with chapels, sculptures, and historic altars. And the church itself is dedicated to the patron saint of pilgrims, St. James. In front of the church is a square full of life. Local festivals, concerts, and a weekly market take place here. It's the perfect spot to sit down with a coffee, relax in the shade, and soak in the atmosphere of authentic Mallorca. Is Alcudia worth visiting? Absolutely yes. It's a small but incredibly atmospheric town, full of history, architecture, and peaceful charm. While you can explore the old town in less than an hour, every moment spent here has a special magic. Nearby, you'll find the lively Port d'Alcudia and the famous Formentor Peninsula with breathtaking views. You can see both places on our Trip Navigo PL channel. It's also worth visiting the beach Platja de Sa Font de Sant Joan, ideal for a moment of relaxation after sightseeing. Thank you for being with us. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more videos from Mallorca.